Okay, we're live, and thank you very much for joining this live session. Let's see. We don't have anybody around yet. I think that's what we need to do. Let's see whether we can get people to join this live session. Before we do that, the January PCE price index in the US rose in line with expectations, while two economic reports arrive after the open. NVIDIA's tech conference starts today. Yeah, but that will be sometime later, I believe. Okay, let's see whether we can get people to join us in this session. Yeah. Okay, there's more news here. AMD Celestica partner to launch Helios AI RAP platform. ETFs, equity futures, higher pre-bell as investors weigh tech rally against geopolitical instability. Okay, thanks for joining this live session. Oh, POET, yeah, rising, yeah, 6%. Yeah, it is indeed. And Celestica is also in the news as well, partnering with AMD. Okay, we're counting down to the open of today's trading session. So let's just see what's going on. Vivo Power International completes name ticker change. Structure Therapeutics says Aleni Glipro releases weight and phase 2 extension study. Let's see. Okay, let's just kick off. We have ZVRA here. ZVRA. If you want us to have a look at any stock, just drop the comment. ZVRA, let's see what's going on with and if you think the audio is not fine, just let me know. ZVRA is supposed to be showing us something. It's not showing us anything. ZVRA. Okay, ZVRA. Let's see, something happened somewhere. Okay, let's get a 4-hour chart. Okay, this is the 4-hour chart. and it's saying that we should expect a consolidation going all the way towards the 25th of March. It has a pivotal downward projection here of $10.2. So there's a chance that it might print. The stock has consolidated around that price. Yeah, it's consolidated around it. Let's see. 50-day volume is around 1.149 million shares. Quite a low float as well. Okay, we have roughly 12 minutes before the market opens. CMTX, let's see what we have. This is the right CMTX. This is the right stock. Okay, it seems. CMTX. Okay, this trader is expected to. Strange. CTMX. CTMX, is it? CTMX. Let's see. CTMX. CTMX, I think, yeah. CTMX, yes, CTMX, that's one. It expanded and it's contracting, so a consolidation is what is expected from now towards the 25th of March. CTMX. Mm, two. CTMX. Okay, so let's see what we have for Meta. We covered Meta earlier on today. Meta, it seems, yeah, we have the extrapolation here saying that it might contract towards, yeah, from today, from midday today, yeah, from midday today. No, yeah, issue, yeah, it's saying here that it might begin to contract from midday today, going all the way towards the pre-market session of Wednesday the 18th. Then after that, it might attempt to bounce towards the 24th of March. Okay, and on this 4-hour chart, momentum is expected to pick up from just after midday today as well, based on this 4-hour chart for Meta. On the daily chart, it's not active at the moment. We still have roughly 5 minutes before the market opens. It has the algos were saying that today was going to be a down day, but the stock has defied the extrapolation, and it's pointing up. Okay, let's see what we have for BMNR. We have roughly 3 minutes before the market opens. Okay, BMNR. Okay, this is the daily chart. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. BMNR, let's see. BMNR. Up 9.1%. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it may yeah, it may begin to contract from midday today based on this 4-hour chart, and may hold the contraction towards tomorrow the 17th midday as well, and then after that it might attempt to extend the strength it has currently. Okay, projections are saying for BMNR, let's see what we have: 22.81, 23.82, 24.44. Let's see whether there's any news for BMNR. Reports $11.5 billion crypto and cash holdings, 4.596 million ETH, 3.04 million ETH staked. Announces ETH holdings. Okay. SOC, let's see, stable offshore. Okay, so it's expected to consolidate, go into a consolidation from now till the 19th. Then after that, they might attempt to resume the uptrend. Projections are currently saying 21.21, 24.19, 26.04. VG Venture Global, an LNG producer. LNG is very important these days. It has always been very important. It's just that this conflict, this war against Iran, is leading to a lot of disruptions, obviously, and then also we all getting to discover the importance of some certain gases like helium, and helium is helium comes from it comes it can it comes from LNG, liquefied natural gas, and companies like semiconductor manufacturers use helium to manufacture semiconductors. So because of this disruption now, a lot of things, there's danger that some of them may halt production. Already, UAE is the largest, one of the largest, I think produces roughly 20% of the whole LNG or something like that. But at the same time, it produces probably the half of the world's output as it concerns semiconductor grade helium. Yeah. So a lot is going on right now with this war against Iran. A lot is going on. So the market has just opened now. VG is down 2.6%. Very important company. BATL is down 7.8%. Crude is pulling back. Let's see where it is right now. Yeah, okay. It has always had this. It's been okay. It's always had this projection, this extrapolation of a contraction. Yeah, and it got a rejection at 22.39. It has had that rejection there twice. It has had it twice, and this is the first time also it's closing below 18.68 since early this year, since early this month, yeah. Okay, this might be a good buying opportunity because the conflict hasn't ended, or you're just taking a breather only to rebound again, IREN, let's see what's going on. IREN is up 14.5. Is it? No. Up 6.7, roughly 6.69%. Let me see if this audio is good. Okay, IREN up 5.36%. The extrapolation is saying that you might hold the strength up till Wednesday the 18th. Then after that, it might contract towards Monday the 23rd. And then from the 24th, it might attempt to resume the uptrend, going all the way towards the 13th of April. Okay, no guarantee that will be the case. Projections are saying, let's see, we'll have 20.18, 9.84, and 3.45. Momentum is expected to remain strong. Expected to continue to surge, going all the way towards the 13th of April. Momentum is expected to continue to increase. Higher stronger momentum is expected ahead in the coming days. The stock is currently gaining. Let's see what we have here. Currently gaining 63 cents every day, roughly 64 cents every day. NBIS up 13 points. No. It's up 13.63% today. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that it might hold the strength up till tomorrow the 17th. Then after that, is expected to consolidate towards Friday the 23rd. Projections are saying 118.33, 131.62, 139.84. But momentum is expected to begin to decay from today. Okay, from Wednesday the 18th all the way towards the 2nd of April. Then after that, yeah, okay, from the 2nd of April, it might begin to pick up some momentum. NBIS, what's going on? What's happening? NBI NBIS announces a infrastructure agreement with Meta. Oh, okay, yeah. Announces AI infrastructure agreement with Meta. Okay. Under the 5-year agreement, NBIS will provide $12 billion of dedicated capacity across multiple locations based on one of the first large-scale deployments of the NVIDIA ZVRA platform. NBIS will deliver this capacity starting in early 2027. In connection with access to these NVIDIA Vera Rubin deployments, Meta has committed to purchase additional available compute capacity across certain upcoming NBIS clusters up to a total of $15 billion over a 5-year period. NBIS plans to sell this capacity to third-party customers of its AI cloud business, with remaining capacity to be purchased by Meta. NBIS founder and chief executive Akade Volo said that they are pleased to expand their significant partnership with Meta as part of securing more large long-term capacity contracts to accelerate the build-out and growth of their core AI cloud business. Okay. POET, let's see what we have. It's up. POET is up 7 point. No, it's up 1.46%. No, 1.76%. Yeah. And the extrapolation is saying that the strength it has picked up today might remain in place up till Tuesday the 24th. Okay. Projections are currently saying $7.09. Okay, momentum is expected to remain strong up till the 20th, Friday the 20th. That's this week. And after that, from Monday the 23rd, it may begin to decay. But it's gone red now. POET. It's gone negative now. Micron is up 5.99%. Okay, we thought Micron was done with the momentum. We thought it was done. So it has it's defined the uh, extrapolation that is saying that it's about to roll over. You know, Yeah, but in any case, strength is expected to remain in place up till the 24th. Then after that, it might contract somewhat and then resume the uptrend again, going all the way towards the 16th of April. For Micron, projections are saying 5.97, um, 6.87, and 7.42. RDW up 3.7%. Consolidation is what we should expect, going all the way towards the 21st of April. And let's see, projections are saying negative 0.99665, 0.615, 3.38, 11.36, 12.45, 13.11. Momentum is expected to remain flattish. In the interim, flat at least up till the 2nd of April. Then after that, it might begin to decline. Okay, let's see what we have with news. Redwire awarded a prime contract to build a first national security satellite for Belgian defense in close collaboration with Aerospace Lab. AMD is up 1.34%. Consolidation is what is expected up till between now and up to the 16th of April. In the interim, there's a chance it might lose some ground by tomorrow, and then from Wednesday it might attempt to bounce, but it's not expected to surpass its 40-day moving average. So between now and the 18th of April, the stock is expected to trade below this. So between now and the day 24th of March, the stock is expected to trade below its 40-day moving average, right around this space here. Yeah. Okay, projections are saying, let's see what we have. 93.35, 111.35, 140.47, 214.21, 224.14, 230.27. Momentum is expected to remain flattish as well. The 10-day moving average, yeah, expected to remain flat at least between now and the 16th of April with some amount of volatility. Let's see what we have. AMD teams with Celestica to build a Helios Spark AI platform. Celestica will design and manufacture switches to link Instinct MI 450 GPUs via UALOE platform due late 2026. CS up 4.95% on that news as well. Celestica AMD partner on new hardware platform to power AI models. Okay, so lower prices are expected for CLS going all the way towards the 1st of April. Okay, and projections are saying 219.71, 232.46, 253.09. Momentum is expected to remain flat all the way towards the 13th of April. Okay, let's see what's going on with the ones in the deep. TAVS, NS, RX, NCI, CAST. CSPC. ULY is on a move. AI, RS, CTMX, yeah, I've discovered that. DSGR. Okay, let's see what we have for TAVS. Okay, Paranovus. Okay, let's see what we have. The extrapolation is saying that tomorrow it might bounce and may hold it all the way towards the 25th of March. Okay, so it's just saying that then after that it might contract back to somewhere around where it is right now. So it's just saying that we should expect yeah, consolidation at least between now and the 20th of April. But in the very short time, it's saying that it might bounce tomorrow the 17th. I might hold it up till the 25th of March. There's no guarantee that that'll be the case. Projections are saying we have negative prices, nothing at all. Positive. Let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, 1.96 upper projection. Yeah, it's projections saying that lower prices may remain in place up to tomorrow. No indication of a bounce possibly coming up based on 4-hour chart. NSRX doesn't have enough data, hasn't been around long enough. It's down 31.8%. NSRX delivers epinephrine twice as fast as EpiPen with strong safety and convenience benefits. Okay, why is it down? Validates the speed of reliability of NS002 powder platform. Yes, GSPC also doesn't have enough data. Projections are saying 0.5179, 0.6236, 0.6889. Okay, no fresh news. There might be some news somewhere. 4-hour chart is saying that we should expect a consolidation between now and the 19th of March. Projections are saying 0.2115. NCT is is it okay. Okay, cast is just it's just debuted. ULY up 164%. Okay, so the expectation is saying that this trend it has might remain in place up till Wednesday the 18th. Then after that, it might begin to give it up, and maybe it might, yeah, it might begin to, it might give it up till up to Friday the 17th of April. Then after that, it might attempt to resume the uptrend again. That's it's pointing to so many days ahead. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 0.52 down projection, 0.1218, negative 0.1218 down. Obviously, it's a down projection. Yeah. AIRS, okay, is expected to remain strong up till the 20th of March. Then after that, there might be a contraction towards the 26th of March. Then the expansion is expected to resume thereafter, going all the way towards the 27th of April. Projections are saying some negative, really negative prices. We have like negative 6.89, negative 10.77, negative 13.17, and then we have 2.97, 3.52, 3.86. Momentum is expected to remain elevated at least up till the 18th of March. Then after that, there's a chance we might begin to see a contraction towards the 1st of April. ZVRA, let's see what we have for ZVRA. ZVRA Therapeutics sells SDX portfolio to Comave Therapeutics for $50 million. Okay, that's a positive. Projections are saying 10.74, just slightly above where it is right now. CTMX up 7.48%. Vaseta M achieved 32% response and 7.1 month PFS in late line CRC with improved safety profile. Okay, we covered Meta earlier on, so it's in the news for various reasons. Signed a 5-year deal with NBIS for at least $12 billion in AI compute deliveries from early 2027 on NVIDIA's Vera Rubin platform with an option to add $15 billion more. Plans about 20% cuts, okay, 16,000 jobs to trim AI infrastructure costs. Targets $6 billion annual savings and potential 5% boost to core earnings. Okay. Revenue per user rose 29.9% annually over 2 years. BMNR, okay, it's reported up to $15 billion worth of, okay, let's see, Tom Lee's big mine boosts Ethereum treasury near 4.6 million ethers. Cryptos post meaningful performance during a round ball. SOC, let's see what we have. Civil offshore resumes oil transport after Trump administration emergency order. Civil offshore resumed transportation of oil through the Santa Ynez pipeline system off the California coast, following a defense production out emergency directive from the Trump administration. Last week's directive from the federal government intended to ease permitting for civil, which has been battling with California regulators to reopen the Santa Ynez pipelines. The order, which relied upon the Cold War era Defense Production Act, directed civil to prioritize and allocate pipeline transportation services to pump oil through the system. It came as the Trump administration attempts to bring down oil prices that have surged due to the conflict in the Middle East. Yes, thanks for joining this live session. Drop a comment if you want us to have a look at anything. Let us know. Okay, Venture Global. Japan's JIRA hedges growing Middle East risk by seeking more LNG supply. Yeah, thanks for joining this live session. Drop a comment, like, share, BATL. Let's see what we have for BATL. No fresh news. IREN. Let's see what we have for IREN. Okay, yeah. Okay. New stock surges. It got this huge new AI deal with Meta. I think it's a time maybe showing strength in sympathy, is it? NBIS, we've seen already what's going on. It has a deal with Meta, initiated a buy by Citigroup. US stocks rise on as oil sleeps after $100. Yeah. POET, let's see. It was trending earlier on today. Okay, POET and Lithium announced joint development of optical modules for AI applications. Analysts lift Micron price targets to $500 and $470 ahead of earnings. Consensus forecast around 19.1 billion revenue and $8.66 adjusted EPS with Q3 sales growth near 142%. Will add 570,000 square foot of clean room space, boosting global capacity by nearly 20% with new production expected online in 2027 to 2028. RDW awarded prime contract to build first national security satellite for Belgian defense in close collaboration with Aerospace Lab. PAVS down 81.12%. That's a massive plunge. Okay, in the midst of all of that, the extrapolation is saying that it might bounce tomorrow, the 17th, and might hold it all the way towards the 25th of March. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a contraction towards current levels around 8th of April. Then after that, it might resume again. Okay, we haven't seen any news for PAVS. There might be some news, but we don't have it. Let's see, we might be able to get a news. Projections are saying that they're all negative for PAVS. Let's see. PAVS, let's see. Okay, no clear catalyst identified for intraday plunge during regular market hours. Just want to get this news concerning PAVS. Stock opened sharply lower from a previous close of $1.62, trading around 0.27 by late morning, reflecting an approximately 83% decline amid high volatility typical of microcap names. Available financial news outlets, social media chatter, and experts noted the drop, such as one labeling it a huge drop or nice dip, but provided no verifiable trigger like earnings, filings, announcements, or regulatory actions as of today. Okay, so yes, it's plunged. Okay, yeah. So a bounce is expected from tomorrow. There's no guarantee that that will happen at all. The 4-hour chart is not validating that as well. Not validating any. It's not validating a rebound by tomorrow. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart. Yeah, thanks for joining this live session. Okay, doesn't have any explanation on its weekly chart. If anything, projections are saying $28.54. And XRX doesn't have no extrapolations. Let's see what the news is. Delivers epinephrine twice as fast as EpiPen with strong safety and convenience benefits. Phase 2 results show NS002 and intranasal epinephrine powder achieves therapeutic levels twice as fast as EpiPen, with 88% of subjects reaching threshold within 5 minutes and a favorable safety profile. The product is compact, needle-free, and may reduce the need for repeat dosing. Okay, so positive news. Did they sell? Did they sell? Did they sell the news? Is this a case of sell the news? Would that be? Let's see. No extrapolations either on this 4-hour chart for NXRX, NSRX. Let's see whether we're having on its 1 hour chart. Yes, yeah, okay. The expectation is saying that it might pick up a bounce by midday today and may hold it all the way towards tomorrow's pre-market session. If anything, saying that it's expected to pick up a rebound from anytime soon in a couple of hours, midday today, New York time. Yeah, no guarantee that will be the case. So in about 2 hours, that's what the algos are saying. It might bounce. Don't we can't rely on that as well. Either way. Okay, thanks for joining this session. Drop a comment, like, share, subscribe. ZSPC also no extrapolation on its daily chart. Z-Space amends purchase pacts, issues $4.3 million secured convertible note to refinance debt. Okay, that is probably wide down. CSPC. Shareholder approval of a reverse split authorization triggered after hours. Okay, yeah, okay. CSPC, let's see what we have. Projections are saying 0.5179, 0.6236, 0.88, 0.6889. AMD down, up 2.25%. Let's see what the news is saying for AMD. AMD teams with Celestica to build a Helios rack AI platform. Celestica will design and manufacture switches to link Instinct MI450 GPUs via UALOE due late 2026. So that's some positive there. Celestica AMD partner on new hardware platform to power AI models. Yeah, that's a positive. Very good, really good. Yeah, as part of the collaboration, Celestica and a hardware manufacturer will design and manufacture the high-speed switches that will connect AMD's next generation of AI chips when the Helios rack scale AI architecture launches in this year, 2026. A rack scale AI platform is a pre-built room-sized computer system designed to run large AI models. The two companies plan to make the Helios system available to cloud providers, businesses, and research groups, aiming accelerate and just accelerate the pace of setting up large scale AI hardware. Okay. Yeah, same news. Collaboration to advance the next era of AI with a Helios rack scale AI platform. Insider selling is on Friday. Analysts aim the targets. Okay. Okay, let's see what we have on its chart. AMD is expected to decline by tomorrow, the 17th. Then from Wednesday, the 18th, it's expected to bounce and expected to hold the bounce up till the 23rd of March, but not expected to go beyond its 40-day moving average. That is also expected to continue to decline. The stock is currently consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average, which underscores its underlying trend, is sloping bullishly upwards. So currently, as things stand right now, the projections are saying beginning from the least 93.35, 1141, 111.35, 140.47, 214.21, 222.4.14, 230.27. Yeah, okay. So all in all, consolidation is what is expected between now and the 20th of April for AMD. Momentum is expected to remain strong, at least up till the 15th of April. Let's see whether we can see what the um, other moving averages are saying. Let's see whether we can find out what they're saying. We'll add more indicators for AMD. '21 and 40. Let's see. Wrong. This and this. Okay, let's see what we have for AMD. Okay, so we have an alignment between the 10 and the 21-day moving averages, which is natural, but we don't have, we have a divergence for the 40-day moving average. For now, it's expected to continue to decline and might pick up from the 27th of March. Yeah, the stock is consolidating, so we don't I mean it's natural to expect that the moving averages may be divergent. Let's have a look at its weekly charts. Weekly chart is saying let's see. Yeah, we have some divergence. Do we have? Yeah, the 10 and 21 week moving averages are aligning, but the 40-week moving average is not aligning. It's diverging. So all in all, is yeah. I think to a great extent the trend is a bearish one for AMD. Yeah, based on the weekly chart. Yeah, CLS. Yeah, okay. Yeah, the same news as well. Let's see what we have. Lower prices are expected from today, from the close of today's trading session, from maybe tomorrow, from tomorrow the 17th, and then after that, that weakness is expected to remain in place up till 1st of April. Then we might see a consolidation towards the 14th of April. Yeah, as a matter of fact, yeah, from the 2nd of April, yeah, consolidation is what is expected for CLS. On this 4-hour chart, we have the stock is, let's see, pretty much aligned in the 10, 21, and the 40-day moving averages are pretty much aligned in terms of extrapolation, with the 10-day moving average looking to pick up momentum maybe towards the middle of April. Yeah. Do we have projections? We can find projections for CLS. Let's see. Projections are saying it has a pivotal downward projection here, so the danger that it might print this low. So we have 265, 276. 276 is just slightly above where it is right now. 288 and 248. Yeah, 248 downward projection, 265 downward projection, 276 just slight upper projection, and then 288 an upper projection as well. NBIS up 14.12%. Okay, let's see. It has that partnership with Meta. Okay, NBIS initiated a buy by Citigroup. Okay, let's see what we have here. Let's see. Announces AI platform agreement with Meta, shares surge. Under the 5-year agreement, NBIS will provide $12 billion of dedicated capacity across multiple locations, based on one of the first large-scale deployments of NVIDIA Vera Rubin platform. NBIS will deliver this capacity starting early 2027. In connection with access to these NVIDIA Vera Rubin deployments, Meta has committed to purchase additional available compute capacity across certain upcoming NBIS clusters up to a total of $15 billion over a 5-year period. NBIS plans to sell this capacity to third-party customers of its AI cloud business, with remaining capacity to be purchased by Meta. Okay, last week, NBIS said that NVIDIA was investing $2 billion in the company as part of a strategic partnership to develop and deploy the next generation of hyperscale cloud for the AI market, from AI natives to enterprises. Under the terms of the partnership announced on Wednesday the 11th, The companies will collaborate on AI factory design and support inference, AI infrastructure deployment, and fleet management. Okay, for NBIS, okay, consolidation is expected from Wednesday, so it's expected to continue to show the strength up to Wednesday. No guarantee that will be the case. And then from the 19th, Thursday the 19th up till the 20th, it may consolidate and then decline somewhat towards the 24th, and then bounce again towards the 26th, and then decline towards the 6th of April, and then resume the uptrend. No guarantee at all that this will happen at all. There's no guarantee at all. Okay, projections are saying 84.9, 96.84, 101.05, 102.27. Momentum is expected to begin to decay from the based on its 10 and 21 day moving averages. Is expected to begin to decay from tomorrow, and that is expected to remain in place up till the 1st of April. And then after that, it might attempt to pick up momentum again. Yeah, but not really that much for its 21 day moving average. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see whether we have any alignment on its weekly chart with what we have just seen. The weekly chart, let's see. Today is expected to be strong, but let's find out what we have for 23rd of March. It's expected to contract by the 23rd. Is that what we have? Let's see. 23rd of March. 23rd, let's see. Yeah, we have an alignment, yes. Yeah, we have a contraction is expected by next Monday, the 23rd. Yeah. Okay, Meta is not expected to sustain this strength. It's expected that by tomorrow it may give it up, and then it's expected that that may remain in place up till Wednesday, the 1st of April. Then after that, from the 2nd, they might attempt to bounce towards the 15th of April. Okay, projections are saying 646.74, 646 sorry, projections are saying 556.92, 512.66, 485.32. Yeah, let's see, can I move this up? Can I move it up? No. Move up, move, yeah. Move. No, no. Close this pane. Okay, let's see. Let's reapply it again. Okay, let's see what we have for Meta. Yeah, Meta struck a 5-year deal. Okay, we've seen that already. Reportedly plans about 20% workforce cuts, 16,000 to train custom-made heavy AI infrastructure spending. Estimated annual payroll savings of $5 to $6 billion shares rose early. Okay, 29.9% 2-year CAGR in revenue per user, and share buybacks helped drive 51.3% annual EPS growth over the same period. key metrics for traders: ARPU, EPS, and buybacks. Let's see whether there's anything here that concerns Meta. It's gaining more than 2% after Reuters report said it was planning to shrink. Okay, yeah, yes, seen that. Considering workforce, I think that will definitely be a good news. It is surely good news. Yeah, could save up to $6 billion if it cuts 20% of jobs. Yeah, given that it's always been under attack for spending a lot on infrastructure. This has been in place for years now. Some years now, criticized for infrastructure expansion. After falling behind in the AREs, Meta has spent heavily, yes, in recent years, yes, to catch up by building data centers and waging a talent war. It expects a capital outlay of up to $135 billion in 2026, roughly double of last year's spending. Okay, ZVRA is up huge, right? ZVRA is up, let's see, 2.71%. Okay, let's see what there might be some news for ZVRA. Okay, sells SDX portfolio to Comave Therapeutics for $50 million. It will sell SDX portfolio, including as Astaris and KP 1077 to Comave Therapeutics for $50 million under an asset purchase and settlement agreement signed on the 13th, Friday the 13th. The deal includes a $25 million upfront payment, $20 million within 10 days, and $5 million upon delivery of specified records. Okay. Yeah. Okay, the expectation is saying that it might not hold today's strength. It might begin to decline all the way towards the 23rd of April. Projections here are saying, let's see what we have. 10.74. It's a pivotal upper projection. It has just on Tuesday, last week, it actually surpassed it, but has since retraced back below it. Yeah. The stock is actually rallying, yeah, even with this weakness is showing, still rallying within, no, it's actually consolidating within a longer term bullish trend, but within a longer term and medium term bullish trend, it is rallying, but technically, for the whole structure, still it's consolidating because we don't have the right order, we don't have the the desired order. The order should be 10, not, this is what it has right now is 10, 200, 21, 40. It should be 10, 21, 40, 200. So if it rebounds and maybe continues to, you know, advance beyond its intraday high of $11 printed on Friday, then on Fridays, no, on Tuesday, then the structure might change, you know. But for now, it's still consolidating. And we can see here, okay, the moving averages here, the 10 and 21 day moving averages, they're all in alignment. Yeah. CTMX is, let's see what we have. CTMX is up 59.83%. Okay, so this trend it has is it's expected to remain in place up to Wednesday, the 18th. No guarantee that will be the case. After that, it might contract for one day and then attempt to bounce again, but maybe rejected on the 24th. And then it's expected that the downtrend may resume thereafter. Projections are saying 5.12, 5.29, 5.45. Sorry. Projections are saying 3.96, 4.28, 4.78. Yeah, let's see. We have an alignment between the 10 and 21 day moving averages between now and the 27th of May. Momentum is expected to remain elevated. So 27th of March, not May. Yeah, let's see what we have on its come the 23rd. What do we have? 23rd is expected to still remain strong. Let's see whether that is the case on its weekly chart. CTMX. Yes, that's what we have. Yes, strength is expected to remain in place all the way towards the 4th of May. No guarantee that will be the case, but between now and the 23rd of March, we have an alignment between the weekly and the daily charts. Let's see how all of this will pan out. Yeah. Okay, SOC is down 0.24%. Let's see whether we can get some news for SOC. Civil offshore resumes oil transport after Trump administration emergency order. Resume the transportation of oil through the Santa Ynez pipeline system off the California coast. Following the Defense Production Act emergency directive by the Trump administration. Last week's directive from the US federal government intended to ease permitting for Cebu, which has been battling with California's regulators to reopen the Santa Ynez pipelines. The order, which relied upon the Cold War era Defense Production Act, directed Cebu to prioritize and allocate pipeline transportation services to pump oil through the system. It came as the Trump administration attempts to bring down oil prices that have been as such due to the conflict in the Middle East. Okay, so the stock has been showing a lot of strength since the 26th of February and is expected to resume the uptrend by tomorrow. And is expected to peak maybe by the 27th. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a contraction. No guarantee that that will be the case. Projections are saying 15.08. It's a downward projection. It's looks like pivotal downward projection. So let's see. Caution is warranted. It is something that might happen. In the interim, we don't. Okay, let's see what's going on. In the interim, it's also consolidating, still consolidating, but in the medium term, it is rallying. It's rallying, yes. Still consolidating. Still has ways to go to sufficiently break out. Yeah, break out to a rally within its longer term trend. It hasn't done that yet. And we don't have a sufficient alignment in the interim between the 10 and 21 day moving averages. The 10 day moving average, well, I can't say we have anyway. It's just that the 10-day moving average is a lot faster. A lot faster. So let's see now whether we have any alignment with between now and next week, between this daily chart and the weekly chart. Let's see. No extrapolations on the weekly chart. Rather, we have projections. We have 16.32, 21.13, 24.11. VG Global, no extrapolations. Okay, the stock has been riding within a medium, within a strongly bullish medium-term trend since the 18th of December, and also showing a decent amount of strength within a longer-term neutral trend. So the stock is currently still consolidating, just like SOC hasn't broken out into technically hasn't broken out into a rally within a longer term bullish trend. Yeah, it's showing a lot of strength, but hasn't it's not rallying yet technically. But it's been showing a lot of strength, okay, especially since all of these issues broke out since the middle of okay, let's just say since the 26th of February. Yeah, it does contract and bounces again. Yeah. Let's see, what do we have? Any news? VG Global. Japan's JIRA hedges growing Middle East risk by seeking more LNG supply. So the company is into LNG and LNG. A lot of things with this war that's going on right now. A lot of things have been uncovered. Helium is very very important. People weren't really paying attention, or people weren't bothered about the gas. It's a noble gas, yes. It's used in semiconductor manufacturing, and in South Korea, it is of high demand because obviously South Korea makes manufactures a lot of semiconductors. So there are, I think, only two companies in the world that actually manufactures helium grade, sorry, semiconductor grade helium, and one of them is the LNG terminal in United Arab Emirates. It was struck by Iranian missiles, so that platform has been shot. So it's making things a bit dicey. So this war it has a long it's reached a lot of companies, a lot of corners of the global economy. So lower prices are expected to remain in place up till tomorrow's pre-market session. Then after that, it might go into a consolidation towards the 19th, and then the uptrend is expected to resume thereafter. Okay, projections are currently saying Let's see what we have. We have 13.51, 14.55, 15.2. Yeah, for VG. BATL is down 13.47%. Yes, lower prices are expected to remain in place up till the 31st of March. Then after that, they might attempt to bounce and then continue to decline. There's no guarantee that will be the case. Projections are saying 22.31, 11.73. There's a danger that this might print, this 11.73. Yeah. It's a highly volatile stock. Let's see. Float is effectively a low one. Has it been increased? Let's see. Okay, now float is no longer small, no longer float, no longer tiny. Yeah, but it's been volatile. Yeah, it may this may not be what may happen. It may even bounce tomorrow. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is saying that okay, lower prices may remain in place up to tomorrow's pre-market session. Then after that, it might attempt to bounce and then go on to decline. Okay, no fresh news about the stock. Yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video and joining this live session.